Imagine a soccer ball hurtling toward Earth at insane speeds. We'll break it down with physics, from fireball to apocalypse. 1,000 kilometers an hour at this speed, 3 times a pro player's shot, friction with the atmosphere melts the ball instantly. Kinetic energy is just 17 kilojoules, like a heavy punch. It bursts into a fireball, maybe carving a tiny 1 centimeter crater, but zero threat to cities. Real soccer kicks top out at 120 kilometers an hour with minimal damage. 10,000 kilometers an hour hypersonic chaos 9x faster than typical meteors. Air ionizes into plasma, detonating high up with 1.7 gigajoules, 400 kilogram TNT equivalent. Expect a 10-20 meters crater, shockwave, and local firestorm. Devastating nearby, but Earth shrugs it off. Light speed, 300,000 kilometers a second. Nothing with mass hits light speed, but at 99% energy approximately 250,000 terajoules, 3,900 Hiroshimas or 1 Tsar Bomba. Ball turns to a plasma beam sparking fusion, X-rays, vaporizing miles around. Global catastrophe, massive crater. From spark to planet killer, speed changes everything. Which one's wildest? Like, comment, subscribe for more content.